Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 8.4 in that question number 1. So here, before going to solve this one, we should have some glance over the formulas, that is the identities that which we have discussed already. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, this value is equal to 1. These are the three main identities, that is three identities which we have to remember. So first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And the third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are the three to be remembered when we are converting one trigonometric ratio to another trigonometric ratios. So this type of problems we will see in the exercise 8.4. So first one, we will take up this one. So express the trigonometric ratios of sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay. In terms of cot A, we have to write all these terms, that is sin A and secant A and tan A. These we have to write in terms of cot A. Okay. First we will take this one, that is tan A, that we know that this is equal to 1 by cot A because this is a reciprocal. This is a reciprocal of a tan. So this we have written. So second one, here secant. See here, secant and tan relationship. So tan and cot is the relationship. So hence secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 we know. Okay. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So here we have sent to RHS. So secant theta is equal to 1 plus, here tan can be written as cot, that is 1 by 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. So secant theta, this is secant square theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 plus 1 by cot square theta whole understood. So secant theta we have written, tan theta we have taken, we have written. So third one, that is sin A, that is sin theta, or you can consider this as a also. So he has written A, so secant A, okay, cot square A. So angle we have taken theta here, but you have to take A only. Okay, this is A, secant square A minus tan square A. So here now sin A is equal to, we know that it is a reciprocal of cosecant A. Okay. So but see here, cosecant square minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here consider the identity, that is third identity. So cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So cosecant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. So here theta can be replaced with A. So here this is 1 by cosecant means this is 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Sin A can be written in terms of cot A as 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. So tan A can be 1 by cot A. So secant A can be square root of 1 plus 1 by cot square A. Okay. So we'll go for next one. So here exercise 8.4 in that question number 2. Write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Okay. So here secant A we have to write. So this is an angle. In terms of secant we have to write. So first cosecant, first cos we will write. Cos A is equal to 1 divided by secant A. Okay. Because this is very easy. This is just reciprocal of this cos. Cos is a reciprocal of secant. Okay. So now second one, see, we know that secant square A minus tan square A, which is equal to 1. Okay. So tan square A is equal to secant square A minus 1. Okay. Tan square A here, 1 is here. So tan A is equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. Okay. See here, this tan we have written in terms of secant, cos we have written. So third one, okay, here cos also we have written, tan also we have written. So now when tan is written means then cot of A is equal to 1 by tan of A. Okay. So here cot of a can be written divided by 1 divided by tan of a means this is, we will substitute here. So secant square a minus 1. Okay. So then fourth one what? That is sine of a. Sine of a is equal to, see, 1 by cosecant a. Okay. So here we know that cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to what? 1. So cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So cosecant a is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square a. Okay. So cosecant we know, cosecant a, this is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So this can be written as cosecant a is equal to square root of, okay, 1 plus cot square a means, here see, cot a means 1 by square, this one, 1 by secant square a minus 1, this is square root, and this is square. Okay, this is equal to square root of 1 plus, see here, 1 divided by secant square a minus 1, because square and square root cancel. So this can be written as, see here, secant square a minus 1 plus 1, okay, divided by secant square a minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So here secant a divided by square root of secant square a minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to cosecant a. Okay, so cosecant a also, see, we have to find out. So this is 5. So this fourth one will come now. So sin a is equal to 1 divided by cosecant a means this one, that is secant a, divided by means this is square root of secant square a minus 1. So this is sin. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So secant a is already there. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 8.4, in that question number 3, evaluate this one and this one. See here, sin square 63, first one we will consider. So sin square 63 plus sin square of 27, okay, divided by cos square of 17 plus cos square of 73 degree. So here we have to convert these to single term, that is sin square 63 can be written as 90 minus, like that we will write, because one of the sin term we will convert it into cos, so that sin square theta plus cos square theta we can make it equal, that is we can make it 1. So sin square 63 means this is sin square of, that is 90 minus this is 27 we will write. So because 90 minus 27 will be 63. Okay. So plus this sin square 27 I will write as it is. Okay. Because both if you convert there is no value. So here cos square, okay, 17 can be written as 90 minus 73. 90 minus 73 plus cos square 73. See here, 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So this will be equal to cos square 27. Theta is equal to 27 here. And plus sin square 27 I will write as it is. So divided by, see here, cos of 90 minus theta, that is sin square theta. Sin square theta means 73. So plus cos square 73. So this is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is also 1. So the value will be 1 only. Second one we will take sin of 25 and cos of 65 plus cos of 25 and sin of 65. So here we will convert this one of the value into cos. So sin of 90 minus 65 into cos of 65. So plus here cos of 90 minus 65 into sin of 65. So this one I have written as it is, these two terms, and these are converted, means these are 90 minus I have done. So value is not changing. 90 minus 65 will be 25 only. 90 minus 65 will be 25 only. So sin of 90 minus theta, it is equal to cos of theta into cos of 65 written as it is. So plus sin of 65. So into sin of 65. See, a into a plus b into b, a square, that is cos square 65 plus sin square 65. So sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 if thetas are same. Okay. Exercise 8.4 in that question number 4. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. So given first one 9 secant square a minus 9 of tan square a. Okay. So here just 9 we take common, secant square a minus tan square a. So here we know that the identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we will substitute this one, that is 9 into 1 which is equal to 9. Okay, this is B is the option. So this is an identity. So here exercise 8.4 in that question number 4. Here 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So we know that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay. So now here consider, so here 1 plus this tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. So plus secant theta can be written as 1 divided by cos theta, because we can take LCM here. So 1 plus cot theta means cos theta divided by sin theta. So minus cosecant means 1 minus sin theta. So here LCM will be cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. This is one term. So here LCM will be sin theta. So here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. You observe here sin theta cos theta plus 1. So sin theta cos theta minus 1. That is a plus b into a minus b. So this is equal to a square minus b square. So here a means sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. B means 1. Okay. You see here a square means sin theta plus cos theta. This is square. Okay. Minus 1 whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. So here a plus b whole square here again sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So here this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1 we know. So 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So 1 gets cancelled is equal to 2 into sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So cos theta sin theta value will be 2 only. So this one. Okay. So exercise 8.4 question number 4. So here in that third portion, so secant a plus tan a. Here 1 minus sin a. So here secant can be written as 1 by cos a plus this is sin a divided by cos a. So here 1 minus sin a. So here cos a will be LCM. So 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. So here a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 square a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus sin square a. So they were divided by cos of a. See, we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So here this cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, this we have taken to RHS. So here you see 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square a. So here 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square a divided by cos a. So 1 cos a will be gets cancelled. So answer will be 1 cos a. So this is the answer. So here 8.4 question number 4. So fourth portion, 1 plus tan square a, that is tan square can be written as sin a divided by cos a, this is whole square. Okay, whole divided by 1 plus cos a divided by sin a, this is whole square. Okay, so here, so 1 plus sin square a divided by cos square a. So here also 1 plus cos square a divided by sin square a. So here, so LCM will be, that is numerator, that is cos square a. Here cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a plus sin square a whole divided by, so here LCM will be here sin square a. So here sin square a plus cos square a. So now here cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Here this factor will be taken here, sin square a divided by sin square a plus cos square a. So here sin square a plus cos square a will be 1 value. This is also 1. So here 1 into sin square a. So divided by cos square a into 1. So here sin square a divided by cos square a. So this is equal to tan square a. Okay, this is the answer.